Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this automatic 5-gallon water dispenser. It is rechargeable. It works for 3 and 5 gallons. This is a universal bottle drinking water dispenser, and it's got a pump from your home and office. Alright, so today we've received our water bottle dispenser. They offer this in 2 different colors. You've got white and black. So this is a mini water pump dispenser. You can use even a gallon of water. So when you're out on the go and you don't want to just pour it, this one here dispenses it. So inside in the box, you do get the charger, you do get the dispenser itself, and it does come with the hose to dispense from the water bottle into your drinking water. So right here is the water bottle hose, and it's got a little weight at the end so it stays down and it doesn't float up to the top. So you do get an instructions manual here. It just basically tells you what part is what part and how to connect it, how to wash it. This is actually made by a food grade material, including a silicone hose and a BPA free ABS plastic. This dispenser is for 5 and 3 gallon. It provides odor free, non-toxic water that's both cold and heat resistant. It has a built-in seal to prevent leaks, and it also has a charging port right here. It is included the cable. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the charging block, but I'm going to connect it to one of my charging blocks. So right here at the bottom, you will connect the hose. So this end will go into here, and the other end will go into your 3 or 5 gallon. Also in a 1 gallon that has a little weight to the bottom so it doesn't float up, it just floats down. So I'm just gotten this in here really tight. And first off, I did notice it did need a little charging because it only had 1 bar, so which didn't take that long to charge it up. So you do get a long of use. So you've got your power button, you've got your water levels. As right now you can see, it is clicking up at the top right here. That is basically letting you know that it is charging. So right now it's finally completely charged. You can see all of these lights right here basically is telling you that it's completely charged. So in order to use this has to be up in order for it to turn on. If it is not up and it's in the down position, it will not turn on. I guess that is a safety feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this to one of my water bottles, and then I'm going to turn it on and show you how it dispenses. Right now I'm going to be using some 5 gallons. So right here is my 5-gallon bottle of water. I'm going to take the top off, and then I'm just going to slip the hose right up in here so it should float down to the bottom, and it won't float back up because it has like a little weight right there like an anchor. Just put it here on top, and then I'm going to grab a cup, and then I'm going to dispense some water. So you can use it by just turning on the power button, or you can use the automatic mode. But right now I'm just going to use the manual mode. That is just pushing the power button, and you can dispense whatever you want in. And when you use the automatic mode, they have 3 settings. You got 3, 6, and 9. So right now I'm just going to put in 3. It'll count up to the 300 milliliters. Once it reaches the 300 milliliters, it will automatically stop dispensing the water. And if you have a bigger cup, you can go 6 or 900 if you'd like. So right now it's getting close to 300, and it automatically shut off. So now it doesn't go over. And I guess I could have done another 100 or so, but it only goes by 3, 6, and 9. Make sure when you dispense the water that you know that it spits out a bit more at an angle and not straight down. So this one here is a little bit loose. I do have some tops that go with this. You just pop them on, which it makes it easy so they can stay and not move. So I got these little tops right here. You just pop it right in here. You push the little blue button down on the middle of it, and then you put your little hose in there, and it should hold it a lot better. So this is a really nice dispenser, and it's great to take it on the go so you don't have to drink out of the water bottles, and you can take these 5 or 3 gallons. If you're looking for a nice water bottle dispenser, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. I like the fact that it's portable and it's also rechargeable.